All right, guys, so we got these hooks here. These are for 3/8 chains, and I need to weld them up here. As you can see, this is about 3/16, but I went ahead and cut some angle iron, and it's going to be welded down here, here on the front, on this side, and this is also going to be welded on there, and I think that'll add some reinforcement. We're going to be using the ArcCaptain Mig200. Got it set at 150 amps. All right, so the hook's in place. It's reinforced with that 3x3 angle iron. It's 1/4 inch material. We got the hooks on top, and we use some orange paint that's not quite Kubota orange, but it'll prevent things from rusting up. And once that dries up, they can put another coat on top, paint the bucket if they want. And other than that, looks pretty good to me. I think it'll work. And the bucket looks straighter than it was before, so that's a big plus. So see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so we got this Kubota tractor here, and the front bucket is a bit warped on us.